Photoshop officially has its iPhone app. Previously there was Photoshop Express on both iPhone and Android, but it was a much simpler app. With the arrival of Adobe Photoshop without the Express surname, we can really enjoy a little more advanced editing. In fact, the iPad has a much more complete edition of Photoshop that we haven't seen come to Android tablets. So, it seems that on the Android side, we will get the smartphone edition first, and we will have to see if we will get the tablet edition at some point. The app integrates several options such as smart object selection. It even has the generative fill tools that we usually see in Photoshop Desktop Edition, which is one of the most used. You will also be able to handle multiple layers and transform layers such as resize, apply rotation, and more. It also has color management tools, but I think the star of it all is the generative artificial intelligence, which could help you create several things immediately with just a text prompt together. Along with the launch of this iPhone app, a website has also been launched where you can use Photoshop without having to have it installed, which is also something relevant. In fact, for that reason, Adobe has launched a new plan in case you want to hire only the mobile version and web version, not including the desktop version, but also having access to the Adobe stock library. This application is available for free for download, but obviously you require a plan if you want to use all the features. And this plan costs $7.99 a month or $69.99 in an annual payment. However, if you currently already have an Adobe Photoshop subscription plan on your computer, you already have access to both the web and the application included. Let me know if you like using Adobe Photoshop or go for some of the other competing tools that may be simpler, I don't know. Let me know what you use.